Hi guys, Jeff here. I want to tell you about a trail project I volunteered on last Saturday. It was a lot of fun, hard work all at the same time.
Feel like a bind, but if the blade's straight and it's pinching, then the log's coming together.
Remember, you're pulling, not pushing.
Get a wedge in. Feel good about it. Oh, it's got like right there.
No, you don't have to push. You can just pull. Never push, just pull. And the main thing is trying to keep the saw really straight. So the saw is, yeah, there you go. And if we need to cut
Do you want to turn?
move anything,
Yeah, we'll be digging out here pretty soon.
I could have cut the bark a little bit. Huh?
Is that angle okay on the top all around?
Yeah.
You are colorful in this picture here. Orange.
Okay, I'm gonna stop.
You gotta go up a little bit.
It's hard for us shorties. Old bitches.
Yeah, Carly.
Actually, we probably should have the tall people.
Surprising, right? But you both stood up with the saw.
But I think you were pulling straight.
Like you've been doing
I
it
was
your
just
whole life.
explaining what he was saying.
Yeah.
It all happens at once.
You could.
My heart's beating.
So, Emily, did you feel that move when it broke?
I wasn't sitting on it.
Yeah?
Uh-oh. Look at the wedge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You probably want to take off the downhill handle and pull the saw through.
Well,
Hold on a second.
I don't know.
That's my guess.
I don't.
Hey, Luke.
Yes,
Come
sir.
take a
Luke,
look
do you
in terms
want
of.
to finish on that side, or do you
we do it
like you
again?
want to be on that side to finish?
Or
What's
you just
that?
want to finish from that side.
You're just saying when we start singling.
We're starting to crack.
You know
at
what?
the bottom.
Let's pop that double out and we'll finish it with the single.
There we go.
For it to move and press the saw down or pinch it.
Okay, so it'd be cool to get like a donation of katanas or something.
Yeah.
The extra long.
Yeah. So you're only gonna be able to do baby strokes, but it should. There you go. Yeah. Is it too small for this? If we're lucky, we won't ever have to push it. We'll just roll right in.
That's what I was thinking. Cut near the roof ball up there. Really good.
I'd have to look that up.
Lots and lots.
Yeah.
That's plenty to work with, really.
Yeah.
Surprising cool. You can tell my dominant side is not exactly level anymore, but you feel like amazing.
So is our goal once this drops out to kind of roll into a
This is the pulse.
Yeah, it is.
Pretty 12 and pretty 11.
It was cracking.
Really?
I heard it.
Half a minute.
Oh, it's a minute?
Well, you're half a minute.
Oh,
into
half a
it,
minute.
yeah.
Okay. You said that was a fast minute.
One second. And you're good.
Speed sawing.
Going at it alone.
No volunteers and
It's more aerobic than it is muscular.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hot on that side. It's hotter. Is it? Yeah.
The angle.
Yep, definitely.
Yeah. Yeah. You can see him. Look, we're doing minute power turns.
Hotline bling?
Hotline bling. Do you want to go with me?
Fuck yeah.
Shit, I'm tired.
All this kill me out this color is coming to fruition. Isn't it? What do you say we give them 2 minutes?
Like age.
So strong. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! You're
Ow,
at your
that hurt.
minute hurts.
You get somebody on their side?
Hey Steve, how close are you on your side? I'm actually getting a little bit scared on this side. We can pull a little bit more, but okay, let's finish it from that side.
Do you want
Oh, you're through?
Yeah.
You're through, yeah. Here. Can you?
Then we put the bark down.
I'll help you pivot it a little bit.
There's just like a little whisper of wood
You
left.
can hear it. It really changed. And it's like,
I think I wasn't crawling around on there too long.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, we have to make a third cut now.
Well, fuck. Well, we could probably push it
Put
to the side.
With the rock bar.
yeah, I was gonna say, where's that rock bar?
Yeah, I'll go grab it. I'll put the saw.
Wow.
Nice. That's a beauty.
Fuck yeah.
Should we push her?
Sweet.
Wait till
So-
Jeff's out
Should
of
we
the
get
way.
a group
Rock
photo
bar
in with this?
needed.
Do you want to get it with the log or once the log's out?
the tree is probably a white fir. When we made the first cuts, I went in and counted the tree rings and got about 200. This is way up the tree, so further down by the root ball we got more. We got about 230. That makes the tree about as old as Beethoven and dates to the time when Robert Gray sailed by the Columbia River and named the river after his ship. And Father Sarah was building missions in California. That's pretty far back. In this time-lapse video, first you'll see Carly standing on the log. She's our crew leader, deciding where to cut the tree. Then you'll see guys with tools removing bark where we're going to cut so it doesn't dull the saw blade. And then we take turns with the crosscut saw. Meanwhile, you'll see some guys going further up toward the root ball of the tree where they're going to make a second set of cuts. The tree is so long it fell across the trail in 2 places. Now in this time lapse, 1 second equals 1 minute of real time, so all this takes over an hour. Right around the 1 hour mark, you're going to see the tree kind of shift suddenly. That's where our first cut got all the way through and the tree settled a little. If it seems like people are standing around, it's partly because this is tiring work and partly because we're taking turns. You'll see us digging under the tree to keep the saw blade from hitting rocks. And a little later I'm going to move the camera up and we'll take another video at the other location where they're cutting a gap for the trail. In this second time lapse, you'll see the crew completing the final cut up closest to the root ball. We took turns, had a kind of competition where pairs of sawyers sawed as fast as they can for a minute, and then another pair stepped in, got the job done faster, and it was fun. Finally, a little push and the log section rolled right out. Then a little tricky, but we managed to push and wiggle it off the trail, and we were done. So after we completed the trail work, 8 of us decided it would be fun to hike the loop. It was a 3-hour hike up 250 meters to Cameron Meadows and then back down the Frog Pond Trail. So late in the day, when the shadows were getting long, we got back down to the road. Luke met us with the truck. We all rode in the back to where we started and headed home. I recommend trail work. I recommend supporting organizations like the Siskiyou Mountain Club. See you next time.